I'm gonna do is look at this is my intake valve, number 4. You can see how dirty it is. Hope I'm not shaking. I have troubles with that number 4, but like I said, that helicoil or helicoil, however you pronounce it, should fix the spark plug. And I think that's why it was kind of the combustion. When it combusts, it turns everything black. Because the spark plug wasn't deep enough. This is just a Brillo pad, dry. Oh, sorry, guy. I'll learn how to use the YouTube editor, and maybe I can get that out. Hopefully it's. Let me just check if it's recording. Yeah, sometimes when you bump it, it seems like it stops. I'm using a Samsung 4. Galaxy 4, I think. I don't have a grinder, I saw a video that this isn't as important. He kind of like used a grinder with a brass wheel to get this off. And I was gonna lap it or lap the things, but like I said, it's not a performance rebuild in the sense I'm gonna race it in NASCAR. I just want it to run better, and maybe when I get more room in the garage, I'll do a better job, or see how this ends up running, and if it doesn't run well, I'd have to get an engine hoist. I'm not going to drop it like I did on the pictures. I wish I took a video of it, but I took pictures of how I dropped it and rolled it under, but I would never do that again. Let's see the exhaust. I think the exhaust is smaller. I'll have to read. I think that's the intake, number 4. This is the exhaust. Yeah, this is all. Yeah, oh my God, this is pretty much. Let me check another intake. I mean an exhaust. Oh no, that's how it's made. It has this like dip in it. Can you see that? I hope you can see that. That's the number 3. Look at that. That might be unhelpable, or unfixable, unrepairable. I don't know, I'm going to have to play with that one. That was number 3. There's number 2. think a grinder's about 40. I don't know, I might get, maybe I hate to spend the money though. I might have to really invest in a $40 grinder, and I don't know if that's supposed to be rough. This looks pretty good. I don't know if that was made over time. I'm gonna have to check that out. I don't know if that dent, see that indent, was made over time. I heard these are so hard they're indestructible, so I don't. Maybe that is good. I'll have to Google image it. Maybe it, yeah, because the intake's, I guess, supposed to be smooth. I mean, yeah, the intake is the #1 exhaust. See those dent? I mean, that indent, I think that's, yeah, the intake, the intake doesn't have the dent, but the exhaust one has like the groove. Hopefully that's the case. These are smooth. I don't know if the exhaust is supposed to be a little I mean the intake, yeah, and here's the intake. #3, that bad. Look at that cake. You can see that cake. That #3 area, #4. Just bad news. See that? I hope the light shows it. Yeah, I'm gonna really have to clean that. So next video, I think what I'll do is engine degrease it. Maybe I'll do it now. It's not pretty, but let me get that on. Just soak it for a while. This at Walmart. It's hard to soak it because, you know, it's such a it's hard to. See how that works. Hope that's coming in. Mark where my spot is. See where my spot is. My camera tripod. Yeah, it looks like it's on it. I just put my drill battery under. Try to get it underneath and just, I'm going to try letting it soak for a long time. See how we'll do. I am curious, the exhaust sign. Like I said, that indentation. Yeah, I don't know if it's cracked. It might be just unrepairable. They have more of a rough surface. Okay guys, I'll come back after a little bit, let it soak for a little bit. Okay. In about 10 minutes. I just want to see. Just want to see if it did anything. Stuff is cake, man. And I want to do this rebuild without buying. You know, it'd be nice a lot. Just try to salvage all the original and of course accept the gaskets and all that. What I gotta do is I gotta control my breathing too when I video. I hear my breathing heavy. It is coming on. I mean, you can see it was cake. So I bet you if I let it soak for a long time, maybe in a cup where it's more confined and it's not so much degreasers wasted. If anyone sees this and they see anything wrong, like, I mean, not wrong, obviously I'm not doing it the best, please leave a comment on your knowledge of, you never can scrape or scratch these. I mean, but if they're gonna grind it with a wheel, I don't see what this razor blade is gonna hurt. I mean, I'm not gouging at it, I'm just kind of scraping. It is coming off, so that's good news. I'll keep doing that. I'm just worried, like I said, these are smooth and those exhaust ones have gouges, grooves in them. Okay, guys, please leave a comment if you have any suggestions. Thanks.